Welcome to my channel. Today on my channel, I will be teaching you how to prepare tomato soup. Tomato soup is yummy. You can have it with toast bread. You can add cheese to your bread, and it is great if you're finding it difficult to eat, you are unwell. You can have it for your breakfast. You can also have it for your dinner. It is fantastic. Come with me, guys, and I'll show you all the ingredients I will be using today. Come with me, guys, and let's get cooking. Tomato has been washed. I'm going to cut the tomatoes into two and then place it on my oven tray. Next, I'm going to season my tomatoes. First, I'm going to add olive oil. Next, I'm going to add black pepper. Next, I'm going to add salt. Next, I'm going to add chili flakes and add fresh thyme. Now I'm going to chuck it into the oven and allow it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's time for us to start making our soup. Now my pan has heated up. I'm now going to add olive oil. In goes olive oil, just a little bit. Next I'm going to add butter. In goes my butter. Next, I'm going to add my onion, allow to fry for 1 minute. And now it's time to add my garlic. In goes my garlic. In goes a little bit of black pepper. Stir. In goes my cinnamon. Stir. In goes chili flakes. Stir. In goes salt and basil. Stir. Now it's time to add my chicken stock. In goes my chicken stock and stir. As you can see, it's coming out nicely. Now it's time to see if our tomatoes is ready. As you can see, our tomatoes is ready. It's looking really nice. I'm now going to add my tomatoes into my boiling stock. In goes my tomatoes and allow to simmer a little bit. As you can see, it's ready. I'm now going to start blending my tomatoes. It doesn't take time to make tomato soup. It's quick, it's easy, and trust me guys, it is yummy. Look at how lovely a tomato soup is looking. Love the color, really nice. I'm going to allow our tomato soup to cook for at least 5 minutes and it will be ready to serve. I'm going to be having my yummy soup with grilled cheese sandwich. First, I'm going to add melted butter. Next, I'm going to add my grated cheese. And then chuck it into the oven and allow for 5 to 7 minutes. And our grilled cheese sandwich will be ready. It's been 7 minutes now and our grilled cheese sandwich is ready. Look at that. It is crispy, it's crunchy, and it's yummy. I can't wait to dig into this yummy soup with grilled cheese sandwich. This is yummy. Guys, what are you waiting for? Have you already subscribed to my channel? If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, go to the right side of your phone and press subscribe. Also, do not forget to share. Do not forget to like. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Ciao.